killers. My killers will not take no for an answer.
Are you recording?
Yeah, done.
Oh, okay. So, arm day, but I was up late last night, guys. Clock's like 2 a.m. because we made a big little business move. Hopefully y'all see it in about a week and a half, but I'm actually not tired during this workout. That's what I just wanted to say. Feel good. Feel energetic and excited. Okay, breakfast is served. 2 Eggo low-fat waffles, 2, I think it's like 60-calorie breads, and then eggs and bacon bits. It is lit. We just got done working out, went to the mall. I got, ooh, come on, focus. Come on. Hello? Okay, hey. We went to the mall. I bought some sunglasses because last spring break I lost mine. So got a new pair of Clubmasters. So the plan is to go on a boat, have a good time, and that's the plan. Watch some fireworks. So I'm gonna take y'all along. I don't know how this day is gonna end up, but hopefully y'all like it. We got some fire outfits we're about to put on and sit back and enjoy this vlog. Quick 4th of July stop. A liquor store.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm
Alright guys, so we just got here to Possum Kingdom Lake. We're gonna rent a boat here. This place is really nice. I forgot the camera in the car, so everyone's inside already, but I'll show y'all around real quick, and then we'll head on that boat. Maria, are you excited for the boat?
I'm lit.
I'm excited.
Ask me if I don't like that one.
Maria, are you excited for the boat?
Yes.
We got a quick grilled chicken meal with the Caesar salad. Maria got the same.
What did I get, Brandon? What did I get?
You can't see yourself. Y'all can't see you.
I'm at an all-time
Simple as that. Trim's already way down. You ever driven a boat before? First you should ask that. Yeah. Yes, no, really good? All right. Trim's already all the way down. It needs to stay down. Doesn't need to bring it up for any particular reason. You're not going to be in any shallow spots. You go in reverse, pass the crunches. Go forward, pass the crunches. Simple as that. All right, for the other bullshit that I got to tell you, we got life jackets in all the seats. There's plenty of life jackets for everybody. Life jacket like that is the ones that you have to have if you're going to be on a tube. You must wear it if you're going to be on a tube. I know it's cool to like do shit and all that without it. Please don't do that. Don't let you get excited. And there are plenty of cops on the lake today.
Bring it!
here at the Cliff Ship Store. We're at pump some gas before we get on this, you know, jet skis and stuff.
Jet skis and stuff.
I'm at an all-time perfect
I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we're headed to Hell's Gate. It's called Hell's Gate.
I'm at an all-time was the knight in shining armor in your movie. Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone and masturbate. Hey! I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken.
On the boat, so we got another boat. Was the knight in shining armor in your movie. All right, wrapping up the day here. Highly recommend this place, guys. Highly recommend this place, guys. Possum Kingdom. It was lit. All right, guys. Hope y'all like that quick vlog type deal today. I don't know what you'd call it. I guess it was a vlog, a little workout, and a little bit of my day. But I have not ate since those chicken sliders and the salad thing. And guys, I made me like a buffet here at the house. I'm starving. I got egg whites, turkey bacon, 4 pieces of toast, 2 low-fat Eggos waffles, whatever you want to call them. I'm about to go ham. Thank you for watching, guys. If y'all liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, let me know, and let me know why. Okay? Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching. All right, guys.
I'm so happy. Yes, bitch. Yes.
I know y'all saw
Holy
that.
shit.
Dude, let me talk.
Dude, this is fucking as big as my face.
I know y'all saw my gourmet buffet, but she went out and got herself Whataburger.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna eat all.
My killers will